subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Realme has launched its new affordable 5G phone under V series in China called Realme V11. Talking about the specifications, the Realme V11 supports a 6.52-inch HD Plus display with 60Hz refresh rate, and it has a tall 20:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4 or 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Realme V11 features a dual camera setup on the rear in a squarish module at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The dual rear camera includes a 13MP main camera with f2.2 aperture and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has an 8MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 with Realme UI skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164 by 75.7 by 8.4mm and it weighs around 186 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme V11 has been priced in China for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1199 Chinese yuan, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 1399 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in vibrant blue and quiet grey color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme V11 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.